Skip the trip to the bank and deposit your checks directly from your couch using the TD Bank mobile app. First, ensure you have the TD Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone and are logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and tap on the deposit option. Before proceeding, make sure your check is properly endorsed on the back for mobile deposits. Write for TD Bank Mobile Deposit only below your signature. Now it's time to capture those clear images. Lay your endorsed check on a dark, flat, and well-lit surface to ensure good contrast and prevent shadows. Using the in-app camera, take a picture of the front of the check, ensuring all four corners are visible and the image is not blurry. Then, flip the check over and take a clear picture of the back. After capturing both images, the app will prompt you to enter the exact amount of the check. Double-check your entry to avoid errors. Review all the deposit details on the confirmation screen, including the check images and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap Submit. You'll receive an immediate on-screen confirmation that your deposit has been successfully submitted. You can also view the deposit status in your account history. Typically, funds from mobile deposits are available within 1 to 2 business days. Keep your physical check in a safe place until the funds are fully cleared. Depositing checks with the TD Bank mobile app is fast, secure, and incredibly convenient, giving you more time for what matters.